There we go. Okay, and I'm going to hide that so that you guys have a nice big picture. Okay, can you guys see my Android screen there? Awesome. I know it looks a bit weird because the software that I'm using is stretching it out. It's stretching it out. But this is basically my Android phone. It's a Umidigi A5 Pro. And I want to show you guys, there's my Locus Maps at the bottom here. At the left bottom, you can't see my finger, just above my phone side. And what I'm going to do is I'm basically I've just sent myself this test map KMZ on WhatsApp. I'm going to click on it. It's going to open in Locus Maps. And now I can import it into a folder. I'm going to import it into my temporary folder that I've set up for this demo. And all I do is I say import. And that's literally as easy as it is, or as how easy it is to import. I've got another, well, I actually have a couple of maps visible here. But if you guys see these, I'm going to zoom in there. There it is. Okay. So I can click on that and I can maybe just modify it a little bit that you guys can see it better. Sorry, I'm talking down and not into the mic. So what I'm going to do, this is on Locus Maps. So I'm not going to go through all the details of Locus. It's definitely worthwhile learning it. But I generally make my lines 5 thick. Come on, and make my color bright red. And now, there we go. Okay, so there's my line. There's the line that I just now designed on Google My Maps. This is sort of just a high-level demonstration on how I've done that. So I'm going to stop sharing this screen. The idea was of this whole exercise was to basically show you how I do exactly this that I'm showing you guys there. I basically design my hotel on Google My Maps. I then download the file or send it to my phone using email or WhatsApp. WhatsApp is just so simple to do. Then I open it on the mobile device and I've got and literally all it then takes is jumping on your bike and riding.